Welcome to another episode on our channel. I'm here, she's not, and she's not for the usual reason. Slammed with work, some health issues with the dogs, but it's kind of a cumulative effect of everything. So here I am. It's just a we'll be back video with just a couple of bits of update information. I keep looking over here to figure out what I'm going to do first. She's going to do at least a couple of how-to videos. And this is on how to repair things that you already have. 1/6 scale action figures. Generalize the knowledge to 1/12 scale or whatever it is that what you collect. So she had a couple of things in her office. First one is this figurine. Boy, it's really, you can see that or not, that's actually very thin. And this is even thinner. It's almost translucent. You can't see it, but this wall is so thin that it's translucent. And so who knows how it got broken in her office. She didn't break it. Maybe somebody bumped the bookcase, when they were in visit her, and neither one of them heard it. I don't know. Cleaning crew might have bumped it while they had the vacuum on. But anyway, she found it laying on her shelf, broken. So needs to have a bit more permanent solution than her hobby hot glue. So that will be tutorial number 1 on how to repair things. I don't know if she'll make this a separate how-to video or included in the same one. No idea. But, I forgot where we got this thing. We've had this thing a very long time. I think we got it on vacation decades ago as we were traveling through, I think, Oklahoma. Stopped off at a truck stop, like a little tchotchkes, little knickknacks and stuff. And I think she picked this thing up. Anyway, it used to be a female elk with antler here and here, and of course it had an ear, and there's the little fawn. But it too got knocked over, and even without my reading glasses, I can see that this is obviously a very weak point. So she'll probably, I don't know if she's going to round that off or she's going to fabricate some antlers, elk antlers. Remember, male and female elk both have antlers. I think reindeer do too, but anyway, I digress. So, antlers for an elk. And hopefully, again, you can generalize what she does. This is very small, hopefully permanently attached when she makes new ones, and so on and so forth. Oh, so yeah, this one's gonna be harder than that one, I'm pretty sure. I have almost everything I need for my standless stand videos. I almost told you what I got cheaper at store A as opposed to store B, but that would have given away the intent of the how-to video. But let's just say that I found a place that sold what I needed considerably cheaper than my first place that I shopped at by quite a bit. So stay tuned for that. So other than that, folks, this is just me telling you to tune in, and we'll see you tomorrow. She has some neat things in the pipeline herself, but today was just a stressful day. So, with our usual line, I hope you've liked what you've seen. Oh, actually, you didn't see anything. I hope you liked what you've heard. Even if you didn't, consider giving us a thumbs up and hitting the subscribe button, hitting the alert button when you hit the subscribe button. It lets you know that we have a new episode up and running. We try to every day, don't always succeed, but we do try. Even if it's just me coming on and rambling about who knows what for 5 minutes and 5 seconds or whatever the length of this video will be once I'm done editing it. So with that, hope everyone has a good evening.